Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making some plantain and oats porridge, and I'll be using the green plantain to make my porridge this morning. So come along and let's make this porridge together. First, I'm mixing a pack of Grace coconut milk powder. I'm mixing it out in some water because that's what I'm going to use as my liquid for my porridge. Alright, now I'm throwing it in my pot and I have it boiling with some cinnamon, some nutmeg, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of vanilla. And I'm giving that a good stir, stirring all these spices. Stir that in, guys. Yes, give it a nice good stir. And right here, all the stuff I'm using the green plantain. As I told you, I use the vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and oats. Later on, when the porridge is almost ready, we're going to be using some more of the vanilla, nutmeg, and the cinnamon. So right here in the pot, we have coconut milk already, a little bit of salt, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon. Now let's peel this plantain. And after I peel it, we're going to cut it up, put it in the blender, blend it up. So watch me peel it, guys. So this is how I peel my plantain. Some people peel it differently, but this is how I peel mine. And this can be very difficult to do sometimes. So I just go in and I take my time and I peel it little by little. This one giving me a hard time this morning, guys, but we'll get it done. So depending on the amount of persons in your household, you may want to use more than one plantain, but it's just like 4 of us, so this one plantain is enough, and not all 4 of us are going to have this porridge because not everybody in my household likes porridge, so this is good enough for the amount that I'm trying to make. Alright, so right here I have it all cut up, and I'm going to be adding it to my blender, and I'm using the coconut milk as my liquid. So that pack of coconut milk you see me mix out, I used half in the pot, and this is the rest of it that I'm going to use to blend out the plantain. And you may add water if you need more liquid. Some persons don't like using coconut milk, so they use whole milk, or they use almond milk or oat milk. Whatever milk you want to use, that's fine. But I can tell you one thing, the coconut milk gives it that flavor that you're not going to find with any other milk. Trust me, coconut milk, that's the milk to use. So right here, I have my coconut milk boiling up. And guys, you have to watch the pot with the coconut milk. You can't turn it up too much, because if you turn it up too much, then it's going to spill over onto your stove. So you have to turn it maybe medium low, and that should be enough. But as I said, watch it. Alright, so right here my coconut milk is all ready. I'm using 1 cup of oats, and I'm adding that to my blender. 1 cup of oats, guys. If you like more oats, you can use more. Some people don't like oats, so they go with just the plantain. But as I told you, today I'm making plantain and oats, so that's why I have the oats in mind. Alright, so I'm whisking around my coconut milk, getting all my spices in there, and I'm pouring in my plantain now. The plantain and oats that I blended. You have to whisk it quickly, guys, and don't stop whisking, because if you do, then you get it all lumpy, and you don't want no lumpy porridge. Trust me, you want your porridge to be nice and creamy and smooth. So keep whisking. You can use a whisk, you can use a wooden spoon. Keep whisking. And you know I don't waste anything, so I just put a little bit of water in the rest of the blender and just stir it around and throw it in my pot, because nothing is supposed to be wasted around here. Alright guys, so here I am, I'm whisking, because I don't want my porridge lump up on me. And keep whisking, guys, keep whisking until it's coming together. Just keep whisking. Porridge is something, when you're making it, you have to have time for your pot. You You can't be making porridge and doing 20 different things at the same time. If you're making porridge, all attention has to be on the porridge. If not, you're going to get lumpy porridge. So if you want lumpy porridge, multitask. But if you're making porridge and you don't want it lumpy, focus on your pot. And once it come together, guys, and you see it's like everything is a nice consistency, then you can stop mixing for a little bit. See, I have it all mixed in now. Everything is mixed together, so the plantain and the oats is not settled at the bottom. It's all mixed in. So you can, step away for a minute or two and you come back and you whisk again. Alright guys, it's time for me to stir it again. See it's coming together. So I'm mixing that all up. And it starts to thicken from the bottom up. So you have to make sure you get all of the bottom mixed out. Just keep mixing. Look at that, guys. You see it's thickening up. It's not as thin as it was when we just started. It's starting to get that nice body, that nice consistency. Look at that. Yes guys, it's coming together. This is how you want your porridge to come together. And I'm giving it a vigorous stir. Yes, this is it. I'm going to be using an entire tin of condensed milk. You don't have to use condensed milk in yours. You can use honey. You can use sugar. Whatever you like as a sweetener, use it in your porridge. And I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla because I love vanilla flavoring in my porridge. So I added some when the pot was just boiling with the coconut milk. And now that it's almost ready, I'm adding a little bit more because I like to spice up my porridge. I'm also going to add some more nutmeg and some more cinnamon in a little bit. I love when I'm eating my porridge, I taste my spices. Well spiced up. We don't want no bland porridge around here. Nothing bland. Food must well spice up and well seasoned. Yes guys, I'm stirring my porridge because as I said, I don't want it lumpy. See how it's nice and thick coming together? Yes man, this is how you like your porridge. This is how you want your porridge to look. Look at that, nice and creamy. You give it some time so the plantain can cook properly. You know the oats doesn't take long to cook, but the plantain needs a little time to cook properly. I'm pouring in a little bit of almond milk in mine right now because I love the flavor of almond milk. As I said guys, you can use any milk you want. Some persons love oat milk. There are times when I put oat milk in mine, but this morning I'm using almond milk. Just to pep it up a little bit, give it a little flavor, a little twist, a little zing. Yeah man, nice up your pot. We only have one life, guys, so listen to me. Eat, drink, and be merry. One life. It's all you get out of life. A good food, good meal. So eat. If you feel for the thing, cook it, eat it, and enjoy it. Over here, we say eating is a must. And because eating is a must, we don't make it a task. We just make it a hobby, and we make it fun. Cook and eat and be merry. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. It just smells nice. You smell the vanilla. You can smell the nutmeg, coconut milk. Guys, it smells real good. Look at it. It's almost ready. Almost ready, guys. And this takes, I would say, maximum 20 minutes and you're good to go. So I'm going in with my milk now and I'm putting in the entire tin. This is gonna take a while, guys, for all the milk to come out. So Just stay with me until I'm done sweetening my porridge. Some persons might argue that, oh, the sweet milk is too sweet. As I said before, you use what you want to use to sweeten your porridge. If you want to just make it with the plantain and the oats and the coconut milk and don't add any sweetener, then that's on you. If that's how you like it, no problem. But this is how I make mine. Right guys, so I finished sweetening the porridge and now I just put in a little bit more nutmeg and a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm spicing it up because it's actually ready. So let me stir that in, give it another 2 minutes, and I'm ready to serve up my porridge. It smells so good guys. It smells really good and it came together really nicely. Nice consistency, not too thick, not too watery. Nice porridge. This is healthy porridge, and this will hold you. If you want a wholesome breakfast, this is it. And there you have it guys, your bowl of plantain and oats porridge, and I just topped it off with some sliced almonds, and I am going to dig in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.